Fabulous 103 FM with Kru Fon at Thai Time. Good morning.
สวัสดีค่ะ
How are you?
I'm fine.
What are we going to learn today?
It's ซ่อม
Som.
ซ่อมใช่ค่ะ to repair something
Som.
ใช่ค่ะ
Som rot. You
Chai
could be
ka.
repairing the car.
ถูกต้องค่ะ
Not like Nam Som.
no that is ส้ม
Som.
This is ซ่อม
Som
ใช่
going up.
ค่ะใช่ค่ะ
Means
to repair
repair something.
ใช่ค่ะ
We'll see you again. And don't forget that Thai Time Every Day is sponsored by and produced by the Pattaya Language Centre, which is run by Kru Fon and two other Thai ladies, all with degrees and all teaching English, Thai and German. So if you or your family want to catch up and improve, especially right now, online, visit our website alwayspattaya.com and look for the link.